All right, everyone. Pastor Dave. It is March 14th, 2012, 8:05 a.m. in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. And Japan has been getting rocked with one earthquake after another this morning. And it's 3 days past the 1 year anniversary of the 9.0 magnitude earthquake and tsunami. And it began a couple hours ago, and it hasn't stopped. It began with a 7.4 magnitude earthquake 2 hours ago, followed by a 6.9, another 6.9 off the east coast of Honshu, Japan, followed by a 6.8. 71 minutes ago, a 6.2 magnitude earthquake, the same area, east coast of Honshu, Japan. 5.9, 71 minutes ago, a 6.1, 63 minutes ago. Japan suffered a 5.8 earthquake. 20 minutes ago, off the east coast of Honshu, Japan, a 5.4, followed by another 5.4. So I wanted to bring you this urgent update here. We have to keep a close watch on Japan. I'm not sure how much more this country can withstand. Stay tuned, and I will keep you updated as more information comes in. God bless everyone.